Everybody get excited, get super excited. I'm back with another video. Get excited, everybody. Look, I decided to come on, guys, and do an eye makeup video for those that's wearing masks. Everybody has to be wearing a mask, especially in New York. We're still in masks. So I decided to come on and do a video so to show you how to make your eyes pop when wearing a mask. Get excited, everybody. So stay tuned for the video. Now listen, I need you guys to hit the notification button. Hit the notification, the ring-a-ding-ding bell button, so that you know when my videos are uploaded. Okay, folks? And don't forget to thumbs up the video, folks. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited, get super excited. Later, folks. Later. Get excited. Hey everybody, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. So excuse the puppy in the background. My lease say no dogs, but people doing what they want is all right with me. I don't have nothing against dogs, so excuse the dog barking in the background. I think it's a puppy. So I'm going into this Flori Robert palette, and I'm going to use the orange out of here. And I'm going to use this as my transition color. I already did this eye already, so I'm just gonna, I already did this eye, so I'm gonna do my left eye. Do that now. Get excited, everybody. So this is going to be my transition color. All in the crease area. I'm going from corner to corner. You guys can see. Corner to corner, like windshield wiper motion. Like so. Oh yeah, get excited, everybody. So now I'm going to take a like an olive green color, because I'm trying to match the green that's in here, and I'm going to just put that halfway on, like so, everybody. I'm just going to do a halfway, and I'm patting it on, as you can see. So I'm going to go halfway across the eyelid. So, like that. Get excited, everybody. See the difference? All right, let's get it, let's go. So basically I'm just trying to get the colors that I have in the mask. So that's what you want to do to make your eye colors even pop more. If you're wearing the fashion mask, just use colors on your eyelid that's the same color in your mask. Get excited. And now I already did the other eye, and now I'm going to just blend down the crease area, soften that down so the colors, just to clean it up, and just to cut down any harsh lines. Get excited, everybody. Alright, so now I'm going to take like a brownish color, and I'm just going to go like so over that line like that. This right here, I'm just going to put a little, I'm going to go like, not all the way to the end, but right about there. Because I'm going to take a shimmer color, a bright color, and place it right in the middle, in the inner corner, right in the inner corner, like so. Like so. Get excited, get super excited. Now I'm going to take like a gold bronze, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner, Because if you have fine lines, I would suggest that you'll try to apply your makeup like this. Put the shimmer colors on the inner corner so that the fine lines won't pop out so much. So I had to change up my routine when I'm doing makeup now. Can't shimmer the whole eyes. So that's like a golden one right in there, like so. Right like so. I'm looking in my mirror right here. Just in my hand. Get excited, everybody. Tell me what you guys think so far. So I had to go a little lighter. Alright, look at that. Now that pops more. Popping more. There we go. Get excited, get excited, get excited. Right in that corner there. Alrighty. I like that. Right in that corner like so. There we go. Get excited, everybody. So what you can do is you can take the shimmer and just go halfway up into the crease like that. Not all the way, just halfway. You don't want to go all the way, just halfway. Halfway like so. You see a big difference. Like so. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So next what I'm going to do, okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I already created a cat eye on this side. I'm going to do it on the other side. Oh, God. Come on, let me hear you sing to the Father. You are welcome. I'm going to go down like that. And I like thick cat eyes because it really pull back the skin around the eyes. And this makes the eye pop even more, folks. So you want your eyes to pop. Don't be afraid of colors. Don't be afraid to do a cat eye. Don't be afraid to do it thick. I have a video on how to do a cat eye. So you guys can just stroll on down on my page, on my channel, and you can see it there. See? Look at that. I love doing this. It makes a big difference with my look. OMG. OMG, you guys see a difference in the eyes? Wow, get excited, everybody. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited, get excited. I'm going to take some black shadow and just go over the cat eye. So I'm just going to pat it on. This helps it last long. Especially throughout the day, it stays on longer. Just put some shadow right over it. Make sure it's black. And it lasts very long. And make sure it dries before you put it on, okay? Alrighty, get excited, everybody. Alrighty. I'm gonna take some black shadow. I'm gonna go under here like so. Halfway. Like so. Let's get it, let's go. Looking good. So I'm going to use a black eyeliner. I'm going to go in the waterline. Like so. I didn't go all the way over, as you can see. I only went like half, right about to there. Because I'm going to take that gold. I'm going to take the gold and put it right in here. Okay, so I'm going into my gold bronze. Again, the one I put here in the inner corner. I'm going to put it here. I'm using a small pencil angle, a small angle brush, and I'm going to just dip right here. You see, it opens up the eyes. Like so, everybody. It really opened up the eyes. Wow. See money going right about here. Do not take the to define this little. Like so. Woo! Okay, now let's put the lash on. Everybody get excited. The lash is on. Make sure you let your glue dry for at least 30 seconds. And please do not use no hair bonding glue. That stuff will mess up your eyesight. So you put it in the middle first. Hold for a second or two and attach the corners. Please do not use hair bonding glue. Hair bonding glue is for your hair, it's not for your eyes. That's not good for the eyes. Wow, look at my eyes. They look so different now. Wow. I hope you guys like this look. Drop a likes on this video if you guys like it. And please share. It won't cost you a penny to share. Just share the video. Let women know how they can make their eyes pop when wearing a mask. And I really like this look. As you can see, what a big difference. I'm just making sure my sides are together. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Thumbs it up, thumbs it up, thumbs it up. I'm just going to conceal under my eyes just a little. Just a little. I'm just using this LA Girl concealer. I'll try to drop the info in the comment section. I already put foundation on my face before I got on. I just want to conceal just a little, just a little, just a little, just a little, folks. Just a little. And you want to set your concealer with some powder. I try to do too much powder because my skin is dry. I can't take all that dryness on my skin. Also, this is a good glue to use, adhesive to use for your lashes. Please, I can't keep stressing this enough. Do not use hair bonding glue. Use this glue is good. I don't do duo because duo make my eye water. So this I've been using for years. Okay, it's called Eye Envy Kiss by Kiss. Very good glue. Alrighty. So I'm just take a little foundation over that. Don't forget to set your concealer a little powder to prevent creasing. I can't use too much. I'm just using a little. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you think, what you think, what you think, what you think. Alrighty, folks. So being that we are wearing masks, I would recommend, if you want to have something on your lips, use a matte lipstick or matte, M-A-T, matte texture, not MAC, but matte. On your lips, because it'll stay matte and it won't rub off on your mask. So what I'm going to use is a brand called C Cosmetics. I did a review on her products, I think like a little over a month ago. And if you scroll down on my page, you'll check out her other products. But this is called Antique, so I'm going to use this. Make sure you moisturize your lips real good, okay? It's pretty. So you see how liquid it looks. Moisturizing. Creamy. It's a little too dark for me, but I like the texture of her lip glosses. I'll see how I look when I take the pictures. They make your teeth look white though. That's pretty though. Look at that. See how it blends right in with the mask? Yeah, so go stroll down my page and check out her brand. Her brand is called C Cosmetics. I just want to pat my face a little. Take away some of the shine. And you know, guys, know how I feel about my brows, right? You know how I feel about my brows. I'm just gonna fill in a little more just underneath. I add a little color so it won't be so dark. Like so. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. Try this look. Try it. Try it. Try it. Tell me what you think. It's easy. Remember, you know, when you're wearing your mask, especially if you're wearing a fashion mask, you want to use eye colors that's in the mask. I try to do that. So think about that, because that'll make your eyes pop more. So to blend it with the mask, and I'm telling you, people be like, oh, you look so nice. Oh, I like your mask. Oh, I like your eyes. I'm telling you, try it, okay, folks? Believe something good is going to happen to you. No matter what things look like, guess what? We win. We win, we win, we win. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment and tell everybody you know I'm making a mark that cannot be erased. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Later. Later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.